guys, back for another afterwork drift, September 2022 edition. People are starting to come in at our events, so good stuff there. Nice variety, hold on, nice variety of cars. Oh, people are going in already, sorry about that. Nice variety of cars, as you'll just see in a minute. They're having fun, good stuff. I'll show you around and I hope you like it. Guys, I got carried away a little bit by driving myself. Let's see what we got. As you can see, they're still having fun. Chase X is okay. We're doing some mods to the cooling system, so as it looks right now, it seems to be working. We'll see. We'll have another endurance in October to test it more properly. So we'll see about that. I'll show you a little bit more around, see what's going on, so you get more an idea and see the action. Let's go. So yeah guys, final minutes for afterwork drift in September. No clue if you can see me or not. People are going beyond their skills right now. As you might know, the last 20 minutes of an event are always the most dangerous ones for breakage, for accidents, for all of that. So we'll see. We got 2 minutes left. Let's see if they can finish it up without accidents in style, and then we clean it up, and then that's a wrap. So if you like what we do, if you like what you've seen, make sure to drop by next time. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to like and comment, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye. As you can see, they're still filming for some music video, I guess. Some dudes contacted me if they can film here, so they filmed during the whole evening. Let's see if I can hit up the link in the description to the video. Not sure how long it will take them, but it looks like fun. Some nice cars, some nice fire show. Yeah.